Given the rapid development of networks, enterprises now place increasingly higher requirements on visualized management. The fundamental requirement is to provide multi-dimensional rankings, trends, and intuitive reports, and the massive log data is essential to this task. The HiSecEngine USG6000F, meeting visualized management requirements and simplifying O&M. Hard disk units are classified into three types: M.2 to U.2, SSD, and HDD. SSD and HDD both have the same appearance, consisting of a 2.5-inch SATA hard disk and a hard disk tray. The methods for installing these types of hard disk units are similar, and we use an SSD as an example in this video to describe first-time installation. Before installing a hard disk, pay attention to the following. Use a HUAWEI hard disk that matches the device, otherwise the system will be unable to identify it. Do not perform low-level formatting on the hard disk, otherwise the hard disk cannot be used. Wear an ESD wrist strap to protect both the device and hard disk from electrostatic damage. Hold the hard disk by its sides. Do not touch the PCB board or squeeze the hard disk, and do not vibrate, bump, or stack hard disks. Release the latches on the filler panel of the hard disk slot and remove the filler panel. Pull the ejector lever of the hard disk tray. Push the hard disk tray along the guide rail of the hard disk slot until the tray panel aligns with the device panel. Press the ejector lever of the hard disk tray inward to fasten it. After the device is powered on, the hard disk running indicator is steady on or blinks. Run the Display Device Disk command in the diagnostic view to check whether present is present. If the device has been running without a hard disk for a period of time, wait for about 10 minutes after installing the hard disk according to the preceding instructions, and then run the Display Device Disk command to check the hard disk. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on HUAWEI security devices. See you next time.